Would you agree if I tell you that there are only two sides to every business? You are either the buyer or the seller. Yes, there are many things that can happen in between, but it all boils down to these two. Let me break it down to something more profound. I have the best smartphone here in my hand right now, and it is made from cutting edge technology and is very affordable. If your smartphone always crashes and you feel like replacing it, make sure to read more reviews first and only go for those which the majority prefers. What I just showed you is good marketing and bad marketing. Which is which, you may ask? In one of his videos, Simon Sinek talked about good marketing versus bad marketing. And what really helped change my perspective is how he talks about changing your narrative and how it can transform the way you do business. Here in Frame 316, we have worked with numerous clients over the years, and we provide content which they can use for their marketing strategies. And we have also handled full marketing campaigns for a few of our clients. I'm not the marketing expert here, but I will share with you what we learned from working with these big companies, knowing how much they are willing to spend on content, but not really doing anything significant on their marketing strategies. First, how is good marketing different from bad marketing? Good marketing is all about the buyer. Bad marketing is all about the seller. As simple as that. Before you roll out on any marketing strategy, you need to have learned this solid rock foundation on every piece of content, every campaign, and every sales generation. Make sure you focus on the buyer and not on the seller. If you are a small business owner, most likely you would have a very limited advertising budget. But good marketing is not always dependent on the budget. The advantage of being small is you have access to your customers' behaviors more than big companies have. Most of the time, you are friends with your clients, and the level of trust that your clients have with you is something that can lead to more business transactions in the future. Small, yes, but meaningful. You have to remember, nothing happens in the business world without attention. Your last sale happened because someone paid attention to what you were saying, because it was relatable to them. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you find any value in the video that you have seen, please be sure to subscribe and share this video to your colleagues and your friends who would benefit in the area of storytelling, because everything starts from where you are right now. It only takes creating one better story at a time. See you in the next videos.